Yeah, there's an old adage, he who or she that represents herself as a fool for a client. And we saw it in the first one. Yeah, she did well, but come on. I think both of us, me and William, probably could have done a better job on that, because that was a difficult case for prosecutors, but she didn't help herself by representing herself. And now it's round two. Again, she's following her old playbook, and that is trying to get the judge recused. And again, that was her recent motion, trying to get that judge recused on personal bias and prejudice, which did not work again. And now the only scales that will be tipped in this case is, again, the prosecutor, once they prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt. And Lori has her third or fourth conviction. I lost count at this point, but it's inevitable.
But you know, David, I mean, when someone does appear pro se, the judge does have a responsibility. He has to treat them with respect. He has to be understanding. But also, he wants things to move along.
Yeah, move things along, respect, and then also make sure that that conviction, if it goes up, is going to be upheld on legal grounds. Like William said, I mean, the prosecutor in that situation has to be careful, too, of not creating appealable issues and making the mistake, because they could possibly take advantage of a pro se litigant that doesn't understand the rules of evidence. So the prosecutor and the judge are both very cautious in a situation like this, protecting the record on appeal in the inevitable situation where there's a conviction.
Let's take a look at some of the latest exchanges that Daybell has had in court, and then get your reaction on the other side.
I have to object to us having so much information go out about my personal information in that jury questionnaire. Do you not think that was a problem?
What personal information?
The state versus Tammy Daybell.
It's the name of the case.
People are just going to Google it, and then we're going to have the same exact problem we had getting a jury for that case. We're going to have the same exact problem.
Are you done? Are you just going to keep?
Your Honor?
Yes.
I have to ask.